Good used to be good enough until folding glass changed the game, which is why Galaxy Z series takes the mobile experience to the next level.
We want to show what you can do with these two amazing devices.
Because once you experience them, you won't go back. Let's take a look at Z Fold3. Folded is a powerful Galaxy smartphone, and unfolded, it's got a 7.6-inch pixel-perfect AMOLED Infinity Flex display. The screen feels like...
Whoa. Did you feel that?
I know, right? And now watch this. Dynamic AMOLED, 2x super smooth 120Hz display, up to twice as fast as most 60Hz mobile screens. On the cover screen and the main screen, this is edge-of-your-seat gaming.
Literally.
Okay, moving swiftly on. Jumping to the next app is easy. Lots of the most popular apps are optimized for Galaxy Z series. And with multi-views enhanced layout, you can see even more content within a single app.
Oh, did you see the link I sent you?
I'll just drag and split, and voila! Multi-window lets me view up to 3 apps at once. And behind the screen, a breakthrough hinge mechanism gives Fold3 its flex mode, so it can sit on its own at any angle, from 75 to 115 degrees.
Love that you can use it hands-free.
Same here. And another new feature I'm loving is the first foldable device that's S Pen compatible. Smooth, responsive, with a softer, retractable tip. Taking notes is easy. It's a brilliant combo.
Well, you know what else is brilliant? The new Galaxy Z Flip3. People just can't help noticing whenever I flip it open and fold it shut. And now it can do more without even opening it too.
That's thanks to the new customizable cover screen. It's 4 times larger than on the previous Flip.
It displays long messages, shows the weather, and lets you control the music player. But wait for what the camera can do. In flex mode, it's like having a tripod. Perfect for selfies with no shakes.
Gorgeous.
Like always, I can preview the shot here.
And I can preview on the cover screen too. It's just like a mirror.
That's dual preview. Quick Shot lets me take videos and selfies.
12 megapixel selfies with image stabilization and AI face restoration.
For really awkward angles, just flip to flex mode and toggle between both halves of the display.
Delicious shots every time. Super easy.
Okay, I've got to show you something. Love this screen.
That's because it's a super smooth 120Hz AMOLED display.
Here it is. Sounds like we're back there.
Those are dual speakers with detailed Dolby Atmos sound. Okay, now let's talk durability. Beautifully crafted Galaxy Z Fold3 and Flip3 are designed for strength from the inside out. Outside, they're guarded by scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus, Samsung's toughest glass. Inside, they're layered with an ultra-thin glass and a new protective film. Built from aircraft-grade armor aluminum, these are Samsung's strongest frames yet. And to top it all, these are the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphones, scoring an IPX8 rating.
So they're not just beautiful, they're tough as well.
Z Fold3 unfolds a better working, watching, and playing experience. Use it just once, and you'll know.
It's the same story for the Z Flip 3. Capture those shots, pop it in your pocket. It unfolds a new world of expression. Whichever you choose, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 will unfold your world.